Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add music to your Instagram story. This feature is pretty new. It is now accessible worldwide. It used to be not be accessible. So let's just open the Instagram application, and as you can see right now, I'm on the home page. So I'm just gonna add to my story. You can either swipe to the right for that, or you can just click on your profile picture on the top left corner of your screen, the one in the circle that has the blue plus button. I'm just gonna press on that, add to my story, and to add an image, I'm just gonna press on the bottom left corner, that square over there, and I want to add this picture of Taylor Swift. And some people have the music kind of icon ready on the top of their screen. As you can see, I don't have that, but sometimes you will have that. And to add the music feature, I'm just gonna press on that sticker screen, the one that has a smiley face on it next to those 3 stars, and also next to those squiggly lines over here. And as you can see, there are a lot of options: location, mention, hashtag, questions, GIF, and there is this music kind of button sticker. So I'm just gonna press on that, and you can search for whatever music you want, and I'm just gonna do that myself. Just gonna pick this song, and after that, you can also change which lyrics you want it to be, and I want to choose this one. And you can also change the font. So if you can see on the middle, there's this circle and there's an AA inside, and you can just swipe to the left and there's a lot of options. Sometimes you can even just put it like this without any lyrics, but I want to have lyrics for this one. And there is a checklist mark on the top right corner. I'm just gonna press that, and I can just move it so it doesn't cover her face. I'm gonna move it to the left, and I can resize it to make it smaller. I'm just gonna make it smaller. Okay, and then I'm just going to post to my story. I'm just gonna press on the bottom left corner that has your story and just let it upload. And now I'm just gonna press on this again. The story has been posted, and now my story has music in it. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.